Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh wow. What's up mga kaduday? Another day, another memories vlog. So continuation pa din to sa birthday salubong ni Owa Mila. Ibiyanan ko po. Konting trivia muna tayo about Kobe beef. So Kobe beef comes only from Hyōgo Prefecture in Japan. So all Kobe beef is Wagyu but not all Wagyu is Kobe beef. So cows used for Kobe beef have very strict breeding and grading rules. So real Kobe beef has exceptional marbling, making it extremely tender. Authentic Kobe beef is rare outside Japan. Its certified Kobe beef cow has an ID number for traceability. Kobe beef is considered one of the most expensive beefs in the world. It's best cooked simply grilled or seared to enjoy its natural flavor. Ang kaibahan between Kobe beef and Wagyu beef. Wagyu beef means Japanese cow. General term ito para sa lahat ng high quality Japanese beef. Maraming klase at galing sa iba't ibang prefecture ng Japan, kilala sa sobrang lambot at maraming marbling or taba. Ang Kobe beef naman isang specific or uri ng Wagyu. Galing lang sa Hyōgo Prefecture or Kobe area sa Japan. May very strict rules sa pagpapalaki at grading. Mas rare, mas mahal at mas premium kaysa ordinaryong Wagyu. Simple comparison, all Kobe beef is Wagyu but not all Wagyu is Kobe beef. So napakasarap po talaga niya. Sa dami-dami naming nakainan na mga steak houses o steak restaurant, ang Kobe beef at saka Wagyu ang pinaka the best talaga na beef na natikman namin. Kaya sobrang mahal po talaga siya. Napaka super tender po siya at hindi lang po siya super tender. Pag kinain mo po siya, nagmi-melt po siya sa mouth. Ilang bite mo lang or ilang chew mo lang, natutunaw na yung beef niya. So, hindi sumasakit yung mga panga mo, bibig mo sa kakangat-ngat or sa kakagagat ng beef kasi ilang ano lang po talaga siya bite. Natutunaw po talaga siya sa bibig mo. Kaya po siya tinaguriang isa sa pinakamahal na beef po sa buong mundo. So super nag-enjoy po kami. Very satisfied po talaga kami dito. So thank you po kay Tita Melody. Si Tita Melody po talaga yung or sister-in-law ko yung nag-manage para mabook ang restaurant na to. Kasi hindi po dito basta-basta makakain. Kailangan mo po talaga ng advance na booking. Kung gusto mong makuha yung gusto mong araw na kumain, dapat magpa-book po talaga in advance. At least 1 month or 2 months, i-book mo na po para makakuha ka po ng gusto mong slot dito or gusto mo na dates. Super thank you din po sa private chef namin na si Chef Naoya. So napakabait po niya, in-explain po talaga niya kung anong part po ng beef yung mga niluluto kasi only steak po talaga to. So iba-ibang part po ng beef po yung tinatry namin. Kaya every ano po ini-explain po talaga niya kung saan na part ng beef yung kinakain namin. So super saya, super enjoy, super sulit. Why you're so very good? Why you're eating today?
You love it.
Yeah, you love it? You're very good. She's very picky, but today, she's cooperating.
And she loves it.
She love it. Only, the soup. Because it's sour.
Okay.
Yeah. Look, Daddy. Satisfied or not satisfied? How's the food, Daddy?
That's why I like going to Japan. Yeah, you have see. We've been
The food here
we're in
is
UAE. We were in UAE, and we taste a lot of different beef.
Oh yeah.
But this is the best beef in Japan.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because some of them are tough, some of them are good, but this is excellent.
Oh.
Hello, Uwa.
Me too.
Lola.
Lola and Mama, did you enjoy the food tonight? I will put 10 out of 10.
Wow, 10 out of 10. See, Chef? How do you rate the food?
10 out of 10.
Wow! Excellent.
That came from a picky eater.
Oh my god.
Thank you, Chef.
So how would you rate it? 10 out of 10?
Yeah. We eat every night, Chef. We're staying here 7 days, 9 days. We eat different types of Japanese food. But this is the best food. This is the best dinner, yes. This is the best dinner.
Thanks so much. Thank you so much.
It's true, it's true.
Yeah, it's true.
I'm full, Mommy.
Wow. Thank you.
Full na raw.
Okay, it's fine if you're full. Because you ate too much. Wow, the rice is here na, Erica. You want to eat rice? She's full already.
Bye.
Go.
I don't know how to use a chopstick.
It's okay. You're good. You're trying your best. This is miso soup and the rice. Rice is life. Try natin yung miso soup. Lahat masarap.
Masarap.
Ito yung rice. Yes, masarap yun already. Masarap,
Yeah,
chef,
masarap.
right? Masarap is delicious. Let's try the rice using chopstick. Wow. Trying hard.
It's a food. Let's wait.
Where's your cell phone?
Tastes like garlic rice na, right? Taste garlic rice.
Ayun ang man paba ano kapag tingnan natin sabi ng
Also, see?
Lagi so special. Thank you very much.
That is for everyone. Arigato, chef.
You guys are most memorable guests.
Thank you very much.
Unforgettable.
Because we're too much talkative, chef. We're talking too much.
No. Keep going. If you enjoy, we are very happy.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I really enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Kind of looks like,
Kinain ni mama yung garlic,
Gusto niyo bang garlic? Wasabi?
Okay, cheers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you. Yeah, this is lean meat.
Lean meat. So
Lean
means
meat.
the grade is how? Means A1, A2,
A5. All A5, okay?
all A5.
All
Wow.
A5, yes.
But the marble in here is good.
Yeah, looking very good.
Yeah.
Let's go, last step.
Yeah.
What's the difference of those? I don't understand those A5, A. What's the difference?
A5
so-
is the higher one, right?
This is a grade. A5 is number 1.
Yeah.
A4, A3, A2, A1 is the bottom.
Ah, A1 is the bottom.
Nag-order tayo ng menu
Who
ng
made
cake.
those markings?
Who made those markings?
Sana.
Who decide? The chef
Ano?
or
Nag-order
Ano,
tayo
ano,
ng
ano,
happy
ano,
birthday
ano,
cake kay
There is,
Mama.
Meron ka dun kay Mama. Ay, nabusan.
Happy
Make
birthday
inspection
cake para
authorities?
surprise.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
so the meat inspection authority is the one who decides A1, A2, A3, A4, A5.
Yes. So every
Yeah,
year
it's-
changes. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah.
Few moments later.
She's the one. Yes.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, wow. Yay.
Thank you. Salamat tayo.
Ano yun?
Papa niyo kahit wala siya, siguro mapayag siya ngayon.
Oh, wow. Yes. Yes.
Nararanasan ko ng ganitong buhay ngayon dito dahil ng dati. Salamat, Judith.
Salamat, Eugene.
Eugene, Erica, Melody. Ano?
Ricky. Emotional na.
Marek, Judith, and Judith.
Lalasing na si Mama.
Ricky. Masyadong expensive ay Judith ang ano ito.
It's okay. Once in a lifetime experience.
Salamat sa inyo. Thank you.
God bless you, Owa. More life. More life. Thank you, Chef. More life, Owa. Long live.
Sana nga umaba kayo.
Chef.
Oy, tikman niyo ito.
Hindi, kakanta pa raw po siya ng Japanese happy birthday.
Hindi ako makakadali. Sabihin sana happy birthday.
Wow. She's the one who's eating the ice cream. Kain ka, Ma.
Bakit sabi ko nga kay Mara, tikman mo ito.
Kasi dapat kainin mo yan. Kasi ano mo yan. Birthday mo yan. Cut the cake.
Oh,
Tanjobi.
Yaomedito.
Tanjobi. Umiditudo. Tanjobi. Tanjobi. Umiditudo. Yay! Happy birthday, Owa.
very much.
Our dessert is served.
Serve. Sabi ko wala, pinakita ko lang na mahal ko sila, saka maligid.
Yay! Thank you.
Mari tayo, ay,